And then I had a little bit left on my gift card. I decided what I did was I paid off a bill, and then I got these. I mean, super cheap. I have been wanting these. I've mentioned this before. I've been wanting these forever. And so the thing that bothered me, I have went several times to the beauty supply stores. They have Kleancolor, but they never had those stripy ones that they had released. And at the time, the pictures they had, you cannot tell the color at all. They were very small. They didn't really show you what the color looked like, or even what colors were in the set. And I remember emailing them, and the person emailed me back being really snippy because, oh, you can see the colors, and I, honestly, I'm not sure what the heck, but just really snippy with me. I'm like, look, you cannot see the colors. It doesn't really tell you the colors. I can barely see what they are. I say, don't you guys have these around so you can explain to me what these colors are, or put it on the website and explain what these colors are? And we kind of went back and forth, and the person just stopped, communicating with me. I'm like, my goodness, these people are rude, whoever they are. So then I found out that they made their own rainbow highlighter for $2. And it's actually nicer than some of the other ones I've seen out there. And I'm like, those lipsticks are $1. Those rainbow things are $1. Maybe one day I'll do it. But this was like, I think, over the fall, and all my money went into the new stuff for the, fall and holiday stuff. So I had a little bit left on my gift card, and I was like, you know what, because I have a friend. I don't know if she wants me to say her name, but we communicate. We're about the same age. We're going through the same issues, with the menopause. She even last year gave me a gift, like a pamper set, help me feel better. So we talk regularly, we email regularly, and she says she's been buying from them. I mean, super cheap. And so I said, let me go back to the website, and they revamped the website, and you can see these colors now. You know what you're getting now. And I figured, well, if they revamped the website, maybe they revamped customer service as well. But I mean, it was super cheap. It was like, there were $1 for the lipsticks, the highlighter for $2, and depending on how much you buy, I think I paid less than $4 for shipping. So I mean, it was just super cheap. It cost me less than $14, and I got 7 of the lipsticks, and I got the rainbow highlighter. Like, I didn't like the one that was at Walmart, because I can be OCD myself sometimes about certain things, and if you don't have the colors in the right colors of the rainbow, if you don't have all the colors of the rainbow, I don't want it. Like the one I got from Sally's, I didn't realize did not have all the colors. Had I known, I would have not bought it. I didn't realize that, but I mean, it was super cheap, and the only color missing was pink, and I have a bunch of pink, like maybe 2 or 3 pink highlighters, so it didn't really bother me as much. But look at these vibrant colors. This is the Kleancolor Rainbow Highlighter. Again, I've been to a couple of the beauty supply stores, and I've never seen these. And it's not pink, it's like a red, and it's like the bold, more, instead of pastel, it's more like true color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So I mean, very, very vibrant and gold. And I wanted that, actually. I tried to make it, and I did something wrong, and it just, the powder just went everywhere. It didn't consolidate or stick together, and I realized later on what I had done wrong. So I said, this summer I'm gonna make my own, but I still plan to because it's fun. But yeah, so I really like that. And then the first thing I can tell you is that they're sheer. They're not, they do the 3 colors in one. I forgot what they call those because my brain is dead right now. So I thought that was cool that it already brought the colors. And there's just one of these I don't like. When I tried them on, it came out very orangey, and I don't look good in orangey reds. Now I can't remember. It was probably this one, and I don't have I can't see the names. I think this is Rose Field. And this one has a red. It looks like a peach, and then like a pink. I'm not sure if it was this one. But it's got 3 colors. I don't know if you can see that. And again, these, even if it's sheer, it was just $1. It's just fun to have. So this one is at the pastel something or other, and this one I just got for fun because it's got a blue and like a greenish yellow and then a pink. And you could tell that I tried it on because they're kind of bleeding now into one another. Very, very sheer. And of course, when you rub your lips together, one color will dominate. That one is blue. So this one's cute. This one is candy. And that one's purple, pink, and yellow. Just really, really, just cute and fun to have. It's very sheer. So it's, you know, it's something I would wear, except the blue one, because you can see the blue a lot. Okay, this one is Cupid. And this one has like red, pink, and then like a nudish pink. And then this one is Berry. And it's got like the purple, the red, and I think pink. Yes, purple, red, and pink. Okay, this is the one that's gorgeous. Purple. It's called Orchid, and it's got all purples. Dark purple, medium purple, light purple. Love this one. And, you know, unfortunately, I got the big bottom lip, but the top lip is not as big. So the bottom lip shows. You got to kind of like manipulate it to get all 3 colors on your list, but the top one only shows 2. And then, again, this is just crazy, you know, crazy fun color, purple, blue, and green. And again, it's kind of sheer, and it comes off like one color when you rub your lips together. So it's not like your lips are going to look green or yellow, you know. So I just wanted to show you that. So anyway, so that's that for the, you know, for the makeup. I just want to show you those. You know, you can, if you want to look for dupes in Wet n Wild, I think for most of the colors they got dupes for what Sugar Pill has if you don't want to spend the money. But I will say that they are not as vibrant and as bold and as deep as the Sugar Pill ones. You won't find like the blackish purple. You won't find the gold. You won't find. But I think for just about every other color she has, you're gonna find a dupe, especially if you got the fall collection with the mermaid with the blue. Because that's the one I love, was the blue, and then I had it in there. So